Rome is one of the most breathtaking cities on Earth. A place where every street feels like a museum, every corner tells a story, and history surrounds you at every step. But here's the truth most travelers won't tell you. People come to Rome dreaming of magic, and leave with empty wallets, wasted time, and the feeling that they missed something. They overpay for simple things, get confused by transport, fall into tourist traps, and never truly experience the real Rome. In this video, I'm going to change that. I'll show you exactly how to save money without sacrificing experience. Move around the city like a local. Avoid the most common and expensive mistakes. And explore Rome the right way this year. So when you finally visit, you don't just see Rome. You experience it. Let's dive in. Money tips and mistakes in Rome. Here's something most people don't realize. In Rome, two travelers can live the exact same day. Walk the same streets, eat the same food. And one spends €70, while the other spends €200. The difference? Knowledge. First, cash versus card. Yes, Rome is modern, and cards are widely accepted. But if you rely only on your card, you'll run into problems. Small cafes, local markets, even some taxis, still prefer cash. So always carry some euros with you. Now let's talk about the mistakes that quietly drain your money. Never exchange money at the airport. It's convenient, but you'll get the worst rates possible. Avoid random ATMs, especially those labeled Euronet. They often come with hidden fees that most tourists don't notice until it's too late. And when you're paying with your card, always choose to be charged in euros, not your home currency. That small choice can save you more than you think. Now, if you need reliable ATMs, stick with trusted banks like UniCredit, one of the largest in Italy, known for fair exchange rates. Or Intesa Sanpaolo, which is extremely tourist-friendly and easy to find. And Poste Italiane, which you'll see almost everywhere, even in quieter neighborhoods. Here's a simple rule to guide you. Budget around €70 to €150 per day, depending on how you travel. Spend smart, and Rome becomes affordable. Spend blindly, and it becomes expensive very quickly. Transportation tips and mistakes in Rome. At first glance, Rome's transport system looks confusing. But once you understand just a few basics, it becomes incredibly easy, and saves you time, stress, and money. Let's start with the metro. Rome only has a few metro lines, but they connect most of the major attractions. It's the fastest way to move across the city, especially during busy hours. Then you have buses and trams. They go where the metro doesn't, but they can get crowded. So always stay alert and keep your belongings secure. Now here's something many travelers don't know. One ticket works across metro, buses, and trams. But there's a catch. You must validate your ticket before boarding. Skip that step, and you could face a fine. When it comes to taxis, be careful. Always use official taxis, and avoid random drivers approaching you. A safer option? Use apps like FreeNow. But here's the real secret to Rome. Walking. Rome is a walking city. Most of the iconic places you want to see are closer than they look on the map. And the best experiences? They happen between the landmarks. One final tip: stay close to the city center. It may cost a bit more upfront, but it saves you time, transport stress, and even money overall. Top districts in Rome. Rome isn't just one destination. It's a collection of neighborhoods, each with its own personality, energy, and story. Start with the historic center. This is where you'll find timeless icons like the Pantheon, surrounded by lively piazzas and hidden streets that feel like stepping back in time. Then there's the area around the Colosseum, the heart of ancient Rome. If you plan to visit, book your tickets early, or prepare to wait. Next is Vatican City. The smallest country in the world, yet one of the most powerful cultural and spiritual centers. Visit St. Peter's Basilica early in the morning for the best experience. For something more relaxed and authentic, explore Trastevere. Colorful streets, local restaurants, and a true Roman vibe, especially in the evenings. And finally, the Spanish Steps area. Perfect for shopping, people watching, and enjoying some of the best views in the city. Here's a tip that changes everything. Wake up early. Rome before the crowds is a completely different experience. Top landscapes and nature attractions in Rome. Most people think Rome is just history and architecture. But what surprises many travelers is how much natural beauty the city offers. Start with the peaceful Villa Borghese Gardens. A perfect escape from the busy streets, with greenery, open space, and incredible views. Then head up to Janiculum Hill. From here, you'll get one of the best panoramic views of Rome. A view that truly shows the scale and beauty of the city. Walk through the Roman Forum, where ancient ruins meet open landscapes in a way that feels almost unreal. Take a stroll along the Tiber River. Simple, calm, and especially beautiful toward sunset. And if you want something unique, explore the Appian Way. One of the oldest roads in the world, surrounded by nature and history. Pro tip: sunset. That's when Rome transforms into something unforgettable. Top foods to try in Rome. Let's be honest. Food is one of the biggest reasons people fall in love with Rome. But to truly experience it, you need to know what to try. Start with cacio e pepe, simple, creamy, and packed with flavor. Then carbonara, the real version, with no cream, just rich, authentic ingredients. Try Roman-style pizza, thin, crispy, and completely different from what you might expect. In the morning, go for a cornetto with coffee. A simple but perfect Italian breakfast. And of course, gelato. But here's how to spot the good one. If the colors look too bright, it's probably not authentic. And one rule that will save you money and disappointment. Avoid restaurants right next to major tourist attractions. Walk a few streets away, and you'll find better food at better prices. Rome isn't just a place you visit. It's a place you feel. And now, you're ready to experience it the right way. You know how to save money. How to move around with confidence. How to eat like a local. And how to avoid the mistakes most travelers make. So when you arrive in Rome, you won't feel lost. You'll feel prepared. And that changes everything. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more powerful travel content like this. And tell me in the comments, what excites you the most about visiting Rome? See you in my next video. Thank you.